I just found this website that turns your ideas into actual buildable designs. And honestly, this is kind of wild. It's called Orca. All you have to do is tell it what you want to make. For example, I wanted to build a bed frame like this, so I typed, "Hi Orca, design a bed frame." Then it started asking me a few simple questions, like what size I wanted and what design details I cared about. After just a short back and forth, it generated a 3D model, a CAD file, and a clear instruction document. Basically, everything you need to start building. The first version came out without a headboard, so I asked it to make another one. The headboard version looked way better, but I noticed the bottom didn't have enough support slats, so I just told Orca, "Reinforce this bed to make it more stable." And it updated the design into a timber bed frame with extra support, just like I described. You can also change the dimensions super easily. Queen size, king size, or even a custom size. I changed mine to 1.5 meters wide, and Orca adjusted the design for me. So if you have a wood shop, a 3D printer, or whatever, this is such an easy way to turn an idea into something you can actually make. Try Orca today and bring your design into the real world.